Sunset Speedway YouTube page here. I'm Spencer Lewis, here with the driver of the number 29 Limited Late Model, back from a bit of a hiatus. It's the frequent flyer, Sean Grossman. First of all, Sean, welcome back, man. It's been a while since we've seen you here at Sunset.
Yeah, it's great to be back. We had a month off where I spent some family time, but it's good to be back at Sunset Speedway.
Now, you're out in the practice sessions, definitely not looking out of place. Are you feeling any race rust, any unfamiliar feelings after being out of the seat for as long as you have been?
Well, we came out testing this week for a little bit. We put about 80 laps on the car, so I shaked off the vacation cobwebs, and I think we're back at it. It feels good to be behind the wheel again.
Now, it'll be real interesting to see this number 29 in action, because when you left, the temperatures weren't nearly as hot and humid as it is right now. Obviously, the car's going to drive completely different. The track surface is going to be different. The setup is different. How are you going to have to adjust to that as a driver?
Well, luckily, while I was away and we had that hiatus, the car, Tom Walters, and went out with the car to McCall's, and we made some changes sort of proactively, knowing where the temperature was going, to try some new bits and pieces, and it's pretty good. I think we've compensated for that.
Now, the last time we saw you before you took off for your vacation was actually at the first round of the MRE series. Had a great performance in the 75 lapper. Unfortunately, some brake issues took you out midway through the run, but you did not look out of place. This 29 car was on rails, and that's got to give you an air of confidence heading into the second half of the season.
I mean, coming in as relatively new to oval racing and whatever, yeah, it made us feel good. We saw we could run with those guys. We were a little unsure coming into it where I'd be, but some thirds, some fourths, and some solid runs in the feature till we had the brake issue shows us that we're right there, and we'll be there on Wednesday night again.
Now, when you first started working with Stompin' Tom Motorsports, you had never met any of your crew. You guys were complete strangers, and it's pretty amazing to see how you guys have really bonded and sort of meshed as a team over time. Do you feel as though that gets better and better with each passing week?
Yeah, it definitely does, and that's key to running well. I think it's not just getting in the car and driving, it's the whole package. The crew's got to be happy, the driver has to work well with the crew, and the crew guys around me are just phenomenal this year.
Now, are you a little worried that while you've been off, these guys have been working on their cars to make them even quicker than they were when you were here last?
No, they've been wearing them out. My car's still fresh.
Awesome, buddy. All right, well, I know you got a lot of support on this car. Why don't you go ahead and thank some people for me?
Flagship Properties, Rylex Glass and Mirror, Landing Strip for your eyes only, Stompin' Tom Motorsports for preparing it during the week.
Final question, we're going to put you on the spot. What do you need to do to get this 29 in victory lane tonight?
Consistent, a little bit of luck, and just hang in there right till the end and just put the pedal right down to the floor.
Great answer, my friend. There you go, folks. Sunset Speedway YouTube page. I'm Spencer Lewis here with the frequent flyer, Sean Grossman.